Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I brought to you one of the classic basil pesto recipe. Well, pesto is a sauce which was originated in the capital city of Liguria, Italy. Basically, it consists of fresh basil, parmesan cheese, pine nuts, extra virgin olive oil, fresh garlic and salt, pepper to taste. To make this recipe, I am using blender to get fine texture. However, if you don't have one, you can use pestle and mortar in a rustic grandmother's style. This sauce can be used in salads, pasta dishes, lasagna, and other lots of delicious recipes. I hope this recipe would help you to make your dish more appealing, tasty and worthy. If you want to see similar recipes, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button and leave your comments below. I will be back next week with another beautiful recipe guys. Till then, this is Saif Amir signing off from my channel. Take care. Bye bye.